Yes.
And then you got stuff. Watch.
Okay.
And action.
Yeah. Get out!
Why can't I watch you? How long have you been filming? About 10 minutes? That's why you have more makeup than anybody else. I'm powdering you.
So I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my favorite Adidas sneaker at the moment. Okay, it says do not open with a sharp instrument. But how else do you open a box? This is dangerous. All right. Okay. Alright, so this is the Adidas. Wait. Okay, hold on. Okay. Wait. So, I've already got two pairs. I was cruising through the Adidas website and I decided to get myself these beautiful pink sneakers. Ooh! So pretty. So these ulltraboost retail at about $200, and I ordered. So I purchased these in a 5.5, and I have. There's a third pair that I have in like a sand color, and it's a men's. So like I got me and my husband matching sneakers. Oh, we're so cute. The men's size, I went down a whole size number, so I bought a 4.5 just so in reference. So basically, this is just the most beautiful baby pink shoe I've ever seen. I collect pink sneakers and sneakers in general. All right, so I'm a fan of the ulltraboost. Not a fan of the white color because I can't keep them clean. Andy! Why are you so rude? Lena girl, you want to say hi? Say hi to everyone. Hi. Hi. Say hi, camera. Mommy loves cake, so I have to order. Okay. Anyways, I just lost my train of thought. I'm a huge fan of laceless sneakers. Luna. So I'm a big fan of laceless sneakers because A, I'm always late and I'm just not very good at tying shoes. I'm just lazy. And these are kind of like, this is a typical shoe I would wear to go on a walk. These are a typical shoe I would wear to run errands. I just slip them on. These are a typical shoe that I would wear to walk my dog. These are also a shoe that I would take to the gym and work out in and attempt to run. I'm not going to say I'm a runner because no, I'm not. But I attempt to go exercise in these and they've done me well. They do. So I've had these for about like 6 months now, and as far as the wear and tear goes, like there's barely any wear and tear on. So you just compare these with the new ones, you can tell by the bottom. So as far as wear and tear goes, there's no wear and tear on the bottom of them. There is a little wear and tear right here. I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up. So if you can see like little strings right here. I've worn these a lot, and I've also washed these in the machine. Like little places where, like right here, there's like so right here, the knitting has just kind of frayed a little bit. That's not a deal breaker for me. I know they're $200, but they're worth it. And I hope that they bring out more colors for women. Also, Adidas, can you please bring out like more cute, like women's clothing? And by cute, I mean, like, I'm liking all the men's sweatpants and matching sets. Hands down, this is the best freaking shoe Adidas has made thus far. Bring out more colors. Simple as that. I will probably have all of them. I think these are just aesthetically so beautiful, super lightweight, super comfortable for a girl on the go like moi. And that's all I got. That's all I got for today. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, and let me know if you have any of the same issues that I've had as far as sizing wise with Adidas.